I promise to keep you warm when you're cold, to keep you fed when you're hungry, to honor and protect you, and to be your rock that cannot be moved. I'll help you reach your goals and then celebrate them with you.
When we started talking at dinner 3.5 years ago, I got this feeling I'd never felt before. I've been lucky enough to get that feeling every time I wake up next to you and when I walk in the door back home to you every day. That feeling is home. You are my home, Ben. I love you, and I can't wait to do the rest of our lives together.
A wedding can be a multi-family reunion and a reunion among friends. It goes to show you how important days like these are.
I remember clearly the night before I met you, I said to my dad I was happy being a single man and just focused on myself and being a good dad for Bentley. Well, I guess God had a different plan for me because the very next day we matched and everything changed.
Oh, girl, it must be you again. You have gone straight to my head.
You guys have faced more challenges than anyone could have imagined in planning this wedding. The fact that you pulled it off in such an amazing way is testament to how strong you are together and how loved you are by those around you.
You are sacred in a way. I don't know God, but still have faith.
So Ben and I have known each other for about 20 years now, and I have to say this man is a legend. The most generous, kind dude I know, who would do anything for anyone at any time and always puts others first.
Asked your father for your hand, but it didn't matter what he said. The thought of you.
I don't think either of us thought that we would be here 3 years after swiping right. We had an instant connection. Somehow, we'd only just met, but it felt like I'd known you my whole life.
हर सिमर सिमर आनंद कर नानक प्रभ पूर्ण पैज रखाई.
I called you after Auntie Cindy announced the level 4 lockdown. I was sitting in the clinic of death. Duncan and Chow, you know what I'm talking about. I was in tears because it meant our wedding had just been cancelled for the second time. You didn't even skip a beat and you said, "Hey, don't cry. I'm your rock. I'm still here."
We made all our memories here, felt our joys and shed our tears. And when the Holy Ghost
I believe,
appeared,
that this little girl
sends
has
me
come to teach me a few things about life. As much as I have to offer her as mum, I believe that my little princess has come to teach me more. Together, we have had quite an adventure.
with you by my side, there's no place that we can go. This is the start of something beautiful. When the wind moves along your face, it captures.
I'll always be open, honest and understanding. I promise to give you the freedom to be yourself and the security to know that I'll always be there when you need me.
Today, Ben, I make you and our future family my priority. I promise to always keep those lines of communication open, to support and respect you, to always be there whether needed or not.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know.
Today, Ben and Jaz will make a great commitment to each other. A commitment which is the ultimate expression of love.
With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
I'm so proud of you, and I so love you, Jaz and Indra and Joe. You're just absolute family.
The thing that's been the most special thing for me today is to see my son with tears of joy and love in his eyes when his bride-to-be was coming up the aisle.
I really couldn't have picked a better stepmom for Bentley. I trust him with you more than anyone, and I know he trusts you too. You haven't just made my life better, but you've made his better as well.
We have survived so many things, from moving house twice, long distance relationship, and our wedding getting cancelled twice. From the bottom of my heart, I can tell you it's been 100% worth it.
Finally, I promise to love you with all my heart, till death do us part.
By the powers vested in me by the New Zealand Department of Internal Affairs, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
A better person, a better man, a better father, a better son, a better brother, and a better friend. And I promise to you, from this day on, in front of my friends and my family and God, that I'll be the husband you want and deserve.